Hello guys, welcome to Maneuver Education. So in this video we are going to see TISNET 2021 quant paper solution. Here we are going to discuss the third part, means the question from 11 to 15. We have already uploaded the two parts on our YouTube channel, so just check it out. So let's begin. So before I proceed, I want to tell you one thing, that we have launched our live preparation batches. Okay, so here is what, let's crack it. क्या crack करना है 2022 का TISNET, right? So here what you all have to do for joining our live preparation batches, you have to call on the given number, which is nothing but this, or you can go our website, which is nothing but maneuveredu.com/MBA-entrances. So here you will get all this stuff which is on your screen, right? Okay, so let's begin with our discussion. Here is what our 11th question, which is nothing but incorrect statement about 1 3/4 divided by 1/2. So here you have to find out the incorrect statement, मतलब जो statement गलत है वो. Okay, तो इसको थोड़ा सा elaborate करता हूं मैं. I can write this as 1 3/4. So 4 1 4, 3 7/4 it will be, right? So basically I can say this is what the mixed fraction. So I have converted this mixed fraction into a normal fraction. Okay, so here this will be 7/4, and if you will divide this 7/4 by 1/2, okay, so you can write after changing this sign 2/1, right? So it will be what, twice of this 7/4. Okay, so here you can say this is what, twice of this 7/4, which is nothing but 1 3/4. Okay, so this option is what, correct, but we have to find out incorrect statement. Okay, अब इसको थोड़ा और solve करते हैं. So you will get what, 7 2s are 14/4. So 14/4 आप देख सकते हो एक और option है. So you can say this option is also correct, right? Here this is what, 3.5. अगर मैं इसे solve करूं, so you will get what here, 2 7s are and 2 2s are, and you will get ultimately 3.5, right? So here you can say that is nothing but your answer, which is nothing but third one, or C option. So 3.5 भी आ गया, मतलब ये तीनों options जो है, that is what, perfectly correct. So the another is what, the D. तो D क्या कह रहा है, half of 1 3/4. ठीक है, मतलब ये जो expression का आंसर आएगा, which is nothing but half of 1 3/4. तो half कैसे होगा, this will be what, twice ना, ये तो twice हो जाएगा. तो इसका अगर half करेंगे हम, of course you will not get 3.5. So this will be what, your wrong statement. You can easily mark. Moving ahead. Now the question number 12. An office has front gate facing east. The person goes 100 meter from back gate and turns right and moves 50 meter. His final position with respect to his office. देखो बड़ा easy सा question है. If I draw it, then I can say this will be north, this will be south, this will be east, and this will be west, right? तो अगर मैं ऑफिस को ड्रॉ करता हूं, then I can say the office front gate will be this side, because here it is saying front gate is facing east, है ना? तो ईस्ट की तरफ ये फेस कर रहा है, and he is going from back gate और back side, and he is traveling 100 meter, right? And after that he is taking right, तो right इधर हो जाएगा, and after taking right he is traveling 50 meter, right? This statement is saying that. तो क्या होगा, final position will be what, this. So here it is asking his final position with respect to this office. So you can say this position is lying here, which is nothing but north west. Okay, so northwest will be what, your first option. You can mark it very easily. Okay, hope you're understanding. Let's move ahead. Now the question number 13. If log a by b plus log b by a is equal to log a plus b, then a plus b is equal to 1, a plus b is equal to 2, a plus b is equal to 0, a plus b is equal to 3. So very easy question. So log की एक property होती है, and that is what, if you are writing log a into b, then you can separate it and you can write log a plus log b easily. This is what the property of log, right? In the same way, here this is what written log a by b plus log b by a. So if you want to combine it, then I can write log a by b into b by a, because in between here is what the addition sign, right? तो ये और ये रिडक्ट हो जाएगा and you will left with log 1 is equal to log a plus b. Now by comparison you can say your log will get cancelled and you can write a plus b will be what? 1. Okay, if you compare these two value, you will get what? A plus b as 1. So you can mark your option as A, right? Hope you are understanding how to do this question. Let's move ahead. Now the question number 14th. Which of the following are true for a rhombus? Okay, here it is saying all sides are not congruent, diagonals does not bisect each other, diagonals are equal, diagonals bisect each other at right angles. So first of all, just understand rhombus. What is basically this? This is square only, but here you have to understand one thing. Here it will not make an angle 90. ठीक है, स्क्वायर में क्या होता है, कॉर्नर पे 90 डिग्री का एंगल बनाता है, बट यहाँ पे नहीं बनाता है, राइट? सो हियर यू विल नॉट फाइंड एन एंगल ऑफ 90. और इसके जो डायगोनल्स होते हैं, ऑफ कोर्स इट विल व्हाट? इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. ठीक है, ये जो राइट एंगल कॉर्नर पे बनता था वो रोम्बस में यहाँ पे बनता है. ओके, when the diagonals are bisecting each other, there they will form what? Right angle triangle. ठीक है, तो मैं कह सकता हूं कि this is what, ये एक स्क्वायर है तो इसके सारे साइड्स क्या होंगे? कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे, राइट? बट ये जो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट कह रहा है क्या? ऑल साइड्स आर नॉट कॉन्ग्रुएंट, बट कॉन्ग्रुएंट होते हैं, तो ये ऑप्शन क्या हो गया? गलत. वाई? बिकॉज हियर इट इज आस्किंग विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग आर ट्रू. तो ट्रू के बारे में बात हो रही है, सो इट विल बी व्हाट? रॉन्ग with respect to this rhombus. अब diagonal does not bisect each other, तो diagonal तो bisect कर रहा है, so how this could be the right? So इसे भी क्या करेंगे हम? cancel करेंगे. Now the next is what? diagonals are equal. diagonals equal नहीं होते हैं, ठीक है? तो rhombus में क्या होता है? ये bisect करता है half half में, but ये equal नहीं होते हैं. दोनों diagonal means this diagonal will not equal to this diagonal. Okay, तो ये भी क्या होगा? ऑप्शन गलत हो जाएगा. मीन्स द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन विच इज व्हाट? डायगोनल बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर एट राइट एंगल्स. सो दिस स्टेटमेंट विल बी व्हाट? योर करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, सो यू कैन इजीली मार्क योर ऑप्शन एज डी. सो फॉर डूइंग दिस क्वेश्चन you should have some knowledge of rhombus. Okay, let's move ahead. Now the question number 15th we'll see. Two guns are fired after 6 minutes. A person approaching the place hears the sound after 5 minutes 52 seconds. If the speed of sound is 330 meter per second, what is the speed of the man? So here, just let's understand first this question. Here G1 and the same place there is what? G2. G2 and G1 is nothing but a gun, right? And here is what? A man. So when G1 will get fire, man will hear the sound. Okay, and after 6 minutes, or I can say the interval of 6 minute time, the G2 will get fire. So अगर ये man stationary होगा, means एक जगह पे वो अगर stop होगा, तो next 6 minute में वो फिर से क्या करेगा? Sound सुनेगा. Exactly 6 minute में वो sound को फिर से सुनेगा जब दूसरा गन फायर होगा, राइट? बट यहां पे क्या हो रहा है? ये मैन 5 मिनट 52 सेकेंड्स में ही साउंड को सुन ले रहा है. ओके, क्यों? बिकॉज दिस मैन इज अप्रोचिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस गन प्लेस. मीन्स जहां से गन फायर हो रहा है उस प्लेस को क्या कर रहा है? अप्रोच कर रहा है. ओके, सो आई कैन से ही टाइम डिफरेंस जो आ रहा है दैट इज नथिंग बट 8 सेकेंड. तो 8 सेकेंड में साउंड जितना ट्रैवल कर रहा है, दैट डिस्टेंस इज ट्रैवलिंग बाय मैन इन 5 मिनट 52 सेकेंड. तो अगर मैं 5 मिनट 52 सेकेंड को सेकेंड्स में कन्वर्ट करूं तो 5 6 जा 30, 300 मिनट सेकेंड प्लस 52 सेकेंड आ जाएगा, राइट? सो इफ यू ऐड इट यू विल गेट कि 352 सेकेंड्स में वो मैन उतना डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कर रहा है, राइट? एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट बेसिकली this x is nothing but time into speed, and here I can say this is what speed and here it is what time. तो ये पूरा आ जाएगा distance and here this will also give you the distance. तो x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. So what you will do, you will take this 352 here, right? Now reduct it. So 8 4s are 32 again. Now 11 30s are 11 4s are. So 30 by 4 you are getting your x, but this is what in meter per second. You have to find out in terms of kilometer per hour, right? So क्या करना है, 30 by 4 को 18 by 5 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. You will convert the meter per second into kilometer per hour. तो ये हो जाएगा 6 2 2s 2 9s 3s 27 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this will be what your first option. Hope you are understanding, right? So that was what our 5 question of part 3. I hope the video will be helpful for you. And here, if you want to join our live preparation batch, then you can call on the given number. And if you are searching for TIS related content, then we have launched our new YouTube channel specifically for TIS. So here, Maneuver TIS Entrances, you can subscribe it as well, and you can follow us on Facebook, Insta and Telegram as well. Okay, so you can check out the description and you will get the link. Okay guys, so that's it for today. Very all the best for your preparation. Thank you.